This is Mike Olden. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. I want to take you on a walk around a pre-emission 2005 non-CDL truck, manual transmission, 6-speed, 24-foot flatbed, 96 inches wide, hardwood floor, winches with straps, and tuck-away liftgate. The interior of the vehicle is what you'd expect from a 2005. A little bit of a simple tear on the driver's seat, air ride suspension. Mileage on this truck is 393,000 miles. It's available for $16,000 as of today. Again, manual transmission, bench seat on the passenger side, air conditioning. The vehicle's engine was replaced at 270,000, so this particular engine has only 60,000 miles on it. I look forward to your interest. We kept it around because of the fact that the engine was recently replaced at only 60,000 miles, and it's a pre-emission engine. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. Look forward to your interest in this truck. Make it a great day.